In this video, we're going to look at a simple interest problem, identify the givens and the goals in each problem, and write your final answers as complete sentences. So, Yvonne invests $3,500 in a savings account. Determine the simple interest rate. So notice this is what we want to find. So this is our goal. It didn't use a question, but the keyword determine tells me that. Determine the simple interest rate required for Yvonne's investment to double in value. Okay, so that's given information because it's telling us the end amount is twice the initial investment in 10 years. So we're also given the time. Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a percent. Okay, so let's use the letters for simple interest problems with the known quantities. So we know the principal, the initial investment, is $3,500. We know we want the end amount to be 2 times the principal. So 2 times 3,500 is 7,000. Okay, and I got that from 2 times the principal is 2 times 3,500. And what else are we given? Time in years, so T equals 10 years. And we're asked to determine the simple interest rate, so we don't know little r. So I'm going to put r with a question mark. So this means we need to use the formula for simple interest that solve for the interest rate r. So if we go to our formulas, this one is solved for r, and it's a divided by p minus 1 all divided by t. So let's write that out. The interest rate equals a divided by p minus 1 divided by time. Okay. Now again, I'm going to put this numerator in parentheses because when we put this in the calculator, we need to use parentheses in the calculator in order for it to compute correctly. So we have 7,000 for A divided by P, which is 3,500, minus 1, all divided by T, which is 10 years. And that will equal R. Okay. Now, we could actually do this in our heads. We know that this is 2 times 3,500. This will be 2 minus 1, which is 1. Then we'd have 1 divided by 10, which is 10%. But in case you didn't see that, that's okay. Let's put it in the calculator. So 7,000. Okay, parentheses, 7,000 divided by 3,500 minus 1, close the parentheses, divided by 10 equals 0.1. And then remember, this is the first problem we've solved for the rate. The rate in the formula is written as a decimal, as a percent. You need to multiply it by 100. So 0.1 times 100% gives us 10% interest. Okay. So let's write our answer as a complete sentence. And it was determine the simple interest rate. So the simple interest rate is 10%.